Hello everyone, today we are going to have a range test of Xiaomi M365 and 1S electric scooter. I will ride the scooter from Canary Wharf to London City Airport. Let's go! So this is the end of the test of 1S. Now let me test the M365. So this is the end of the test of M365. Now let's have a charging test. You can see that the charging time of 1S is slightly faster than M365. Let's have a summary of today's range test. So 1S has a shorter range than M365. This is because its battery capacity is 7.65 ampere per hour, which is a little bit smaller than M365. This also explains why the charging time of 1S is quicker than M365. Having said that, the difference between the two is not very obvious. How about your scooter? Please let us know in the comments. Please give us a thumb up or subscribe our channel if you like our video. See you next time. Bye.